Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the speaker on a phone, Samsung Galaxy S7. For cleaning we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be medium hard or soft. If they're too hard they'll scratch your phone. We need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, to better soften the dirt and then so it evaporates and leaves no trace behind. You can buy such a brush and this kind of diffuser as a set, Allegro, Amazon. And if you don't have access to those, you can just use a toothbrush. Just make sure it's very soft or has soft bristles, otherwise it will scratch your phone. So the first thing we do is turn off the phone. Never clean your phone while it's turned on. I'll disconnect the power. Once it's completely turned off, we turn it to the side. That way it'll be easier for us to clean. We moisten the swab with isopropyl alcohol. So that it's wet. Hold the phone steady with 2 fingers so it doesn't move, and clean the speaker with a steady motion in one direction. The speaker is here. Of course, I'm talking about the holes in the display. Move 10 to 15 times in one direction. And then do the same in the other direction. If the speaker is very dirty, it's a good idea to repeat this process 2 to 3 times in each direction. Then it will be perfectly cleaned. As I said, 15 times in one direction, 15 times in the other, and then another 15 times back. Then it will be perfectly cleaned. The alcohol will soften the dirt, and then the brush will push it out of the speaker opening. We'll have a perfectly clean speaker. Whatever gets inside the speaker doesn't matter, because it will evaporate completely within 10 to 15 minutes. And there will be no trace of isopropyl alcohol left afterwards. After the procedure, set the phone down on the desk for about 10 to 15 minutes so the isopropyl alcohol can evaporate, and then your phone is ready to use. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.